Hello Longfellow Longhorns, this is Mr. Pizarnik. It is the week of May 12th through May 16th, 2014. First of all, I am hopeful that all of our Longfellow mothers had a great Mother's Day this weekend. I hope that you were able to celebrate with family and enjoy that really beautiful weather that we had on Sunday. So, looking ahead to this week, we've got a few things going on. We're wrapping up some Dibbles assessments across the building. We also have 4th grade math assessments that are winding up this week. And then throughout this week we'll also have time for our 4th graders. They're going to be taking 4th grade science assessment as well. Some other things that are going on this week. We've got, want to remind folks that there are no PE classes those days that Mrs. Buter is helping out with track and field day. So yesterday we did have PE classes because the track and field meet was postponed, but there will be 3 days that Mrs. Buter will be absent at that meet, and so I know that some teachers are taking it upon themselves to do a class with their kids, and some others are just having some alternative activities during that time. So that's kind of up to your teacher if you guys have the opportunity to talk about that in your classrooms. This Tuesday, the 13th, one highlight for parents and staff, 6 o'clock on Tuesday evening, the 13th, there is a board meeting at the ESC, kind of a big one, going to be talking about budget and attendance areas. And then on Wednesday the 14th, we've got a couple of things going on here at Longfellow. First of all, we've got our 5th and 6th graders are going to be participating in the track meet over at City High. That all gets started at 11:30. So good luck to our 5th and 6th graders. We hope that you have a great time on that trip. A couple of things Wednesday evening on the 14th. First, we have Superintendent Murley is going to be visiting us here. He's going to be meeting with a parent group, kind of a question and answer session at 7 o'clock. And then another event that night at 7:30, we've got our elementary orchestra concert, which will be taking place over at City High. Again, the question and answer session with Superintendent Murley is at 7 in our library. Then at 7:30, the orchestra concert starts over at City High. Thursday, the 15th, this one's just a reminder for our entire student body. 9 o'clock, we're going to be practicing our tornado drill. Again, this is just going to be a practice. I know that we're anticipating the weather to maybe be a little bit rainy that day, again on Thursday, but we're just going to be doing our practice drill that day. And then on Friday, we've got a couple of fun events planned for the 16th. At 10 o'clock in the morning, we've got the East Elementary band concert that's going to take place in our gym. We're going to host them for about a half hour. Again, that'll start at 10 a.m. on Friday. And then we've got one more assembly at 1:40 in the afternoon. The Iowa City Public Library is going to come and talk to us about their summer reading program. So Public Library and the Cedar Rapids Colonels, we've got a couple of different summer reading programs for you to get involved in if you're interested. And we look forward to hearing about the Public Library's program on Friday afternoon. Just a couple of other things in general. We've got a lot of things that will be happening here. We're in the last month of school now, so there are a lot of different events. Make sure that you're watching the newsletter. There will be a lot of information coming home about upcoming events, things to do over the summer. And then additionally, we just recently sent out, Ms. Kramer has worked with Ms. Gallenville in the office here, and we've put together some information about just some parking lot safety as the weather starts to get nicer, some expectations as far as what we have in the handbook about clothing and things like that as the weather starts to get warmer. Just a few reminders for folks about staying healthy and staying safe while we're here at Longfellow. So if you have any questions about those things, like I said, go ahead and check out the newsletter or talk to your classroom teacher, talk to me. We'll be happy to help you out with those questions. So that's the week of May 12th through the 16th. We're kind of on the downhill slide now, so we've got a lot of fun things that are coming up, and we hope that you are able to enjoy this last month of school. So we'll talk to you real soon.